After plenty of trial and error, I finally found a recipe that makes crispy pork belly, and the Ninja Woodfire XL makes it even easier. If you've struggled with rubbery skin in the past, this approach might help you fix it. I start by poking the pork belly skin all over using tools like a meat tenderizer. This allows fat and moisture to escape, which is key to achieving that crackling. Next, cover all the sides in aluminum foil to avoid burning the meat. Then, I spread a thin layer of a vinegar and baking soda mixture across the skin. The pork belly then goes into the fridge for at least 8 hours. This long rest time dries the skin further and improves the final texture. After resting, I poke the skin a bit more to reopen any holes that may have closed up. Then, I completely cover the skin with a layer of coarse salt. This draws out any remaining moisture while protecting the skin from burning during the first stage of cooking. Now it's time to cook. Place the pork belly in the Ninja Woodfire XL or a regular oven and roast at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. This step renders the fat and cooks the meat until tender. Once done, remove the pork belly, remove the foil, scrape away the salt crust, and carefully wipe the surface clean. For the final step, return the pork belly to the oven and switch to broil for another 24 minutes to crisp up the skin. Keep a close eye on it, checking every 5 to 10 minutes, since the skin can go from perfectly golden to burnt very quickly. When done right, the skin will puff up into a beautifully crispy, bubbly crackling. The result is juicy, flavorful meat with ultra crunchy skin. Exactly what crispy pork belly should be. That's all. If you are successful, make sure to leave a comment below to let me know. Thanks for watching.